Good morning, my dear students. Today I am here with a poem entitled Dust of Snow. This poem was composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was a great American poet. He was a naturalist. Naturalist means a person who loves the varied aspects of the nature. He also composed many poems on the varied aspects of nature. So here he composed a poem named Dust of Snow. That means the falling of snow in a beautiful manner. So before we begin this poem, I'll tell you a short story so that we may understand this poem more clearly. According to one story, once the Robert Frost was very unhappy. In his dejected mood, in his upset mood, the Frost went and sat under a hemlock tree. And he was sitting there in a very upset mood. That hemlock tree was completely covered with the snow. The top of the hemlock tree was filled with the snow. Suddenly, a crow means a black bird, a crow came and sat on the top of the tree. And that black bird named Crow made some movements. Due to the movements of the blackbird, some snow began to fall down on the head of the poet. The falling of snow was very beautiful, or you may say that the scene of the snow falling was very beautiful, very hilarious, and the poet became very happy after watching the falling of the snow. The scene affected the heart of the poem so deeply that he composed a very short poem named Dust of Snow. This poem contains only 2 stanzas. Each stanza contains 4 lines. As I have already mentioned that Robert Frost was a naturalist, means the lover of nature. He also proved himself as a lover of nature by composing this short but beautiful poem. And this is the first poem of 10th grade. So today I am here with the explanations of this poem. For your convenience, I'll use both languages, Hindi as well as English, because if I completely explain this poem only in English, you may not understand. You may miss the students of 10th standard. So let's read and find out what the poet has composed in this poem. So first, it is the stanza first. Okay, I am reading right now, and you may understand. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Shook down. Shook down means throw. Okay, means फेंकना. The poet is saying that a crow bird threw the shower of snow on me from the top of hemlock tree in a very beautiful manner. Means कि एक पक्षी कौवे ने हेमलॉक पेड़ के ऊपर से मेरे ऊपर बहुत सुंदर तरीके से, इन ब्यूटीफुल मैनर, बर्फ की बौछार की. Okay. He made the shower of the snow. Okay. Next line says that has given my heart a change of mood. And again, the poet describes when the crow threw upon me in a very beautiful manner the shower of the snow. It changed my heart, it changed my mood. Means earlier I was upset, but after watching the beautiful scene of the snow falling, my heart became happy. Or you may say that the poet became very happy. मीन्स कि कवि कह रहे हैं कि बर्फ की बौछार को देखकर मेरा मन बदल गया. यानी अभी तक मैं क्या था, दुखी था, और अब मैं क्या हो गया हूं, प्रसन्न हो गया हूं. एंड सेव्ड सम पार्ट ऑफ अ डे आई हैड रूड मीन्स destroy. Again, the poet describing his personal feelings and saying, this way, I thought, the day which till yet I had spent in a dejected mood, in upset mood, now changed into a pleasing mood. Means, the day I had spent very unhappily, now I am enjoying the rest part of the day. Means कि अभी तक जो दिन मैंने उदासी में व्यतीत किया था, अब वो जो है प्रसन्नता में बीतने लगे. शॉर्ट समरी है कि कभी जो पोएट है रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट, वो उदास अवस्था में हेमलॉक पेड़ के नीचे बैठे थे और हेमलॉक ट्री जो है बर्फ से ढकी हुई थी. अचानक एक कौवा आता है और वो पेड़ को हिलाता है, और पेड़ को हिलाने से जो है बर्फ की बौछार, द शावर ऑफ द स्नो फॉल्स ऑन द पोएट, कवि के ऊपर गिर पड़ती है. और बर्फ का गिरना बहुत ही सुंदर दृश्य था, और उस दृश्य को देखकर पोएट रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट अति प्रसन्न हो गए. So this is very short poem of 8 lines containing only 2 stanzas. Okay, so I hope that you may understand. Thank you.